So in today's video, I will be finding out if I am le loser or le winner. I've got this. This is a Lewinner wireless microphone. Lewinner. Lewinner. No, it's definitely Lewinner. Is it for a winner like me? Well, we'll see. The nice people at Lewinner got in touch with me and said, would I like to try their wireless lavalier microphone? And I was like, yeah, why not? Now this one is different to, say, the Rode one that I'm wearing, in that it is specifically designed for iPhones and iPads only, which is quite handy because I now have an iPhone, so I can test out such things. So yeah, in this video we're going to unbox this Lewinner wireless lav microphone and set it up and have a play with it, and I'll probably go out for a little womble when it stopped raining and try it out in the field. I might actually go to a literal field to try this. But yeah, this is the product itself in its box. I did wonder, because it does seem to have like this sticker here, and I was like, oh, is it something that they've rebranded? But under the sticker seems to be Chinese writing, so this is obviously designed for the China market, but they've just added a sticker on top. There's nothing weird or untoward, and it says it is for live show, interview or vlog short video. It is literally perfect for me. So yeah, let's get it out of the box and see what we can see inside. Oh, okay, so it's got a little magnetic-y flap thing. Oh, look at that, that's quite cute. I like that. That's cool. So it comes in this sort of casey thing. We'll crack that open in a minute. So we've got a cable in here. I think it's got a USB-C port on it, so that will be what this charging cable is for, I imagine. Yes, there we go, just a little USB-A to USB-C connector. I've got a little tiny dead cat for it. So yeah, it's a little cap that goes on the end of a Lewinner microphone. Then we've got the user manual under here. Well, before we tuck into this, let's have a little look in the user manual and see what it says. Okay, so this is very much the Chinese side. Aha, there we go. Thank goodness for that. Okay, so thanks for choosing our product. This product is a smart wireless microphone that provides professional grade recording output. I am a professional, of course. Plug and play, no app required. It can be used for different circumstances such as live, video recording, interviewing, online teaching and others. The wireless microphone consists of two parts. One is microphone transmitter, see as below picture. Nice. What I can see from this is some sort of charging case for it, so that's really quite smart. I like that. It's almost like a little pair of headphones that comes in a little case. Now let's try and get this off. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Ta-da! That's pretty cute. Wow, it's so tiny, so small.
That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said.
So this is the bit that plugs into your phone with the lightning connector on the end. And this is the little lav mic itself. It's very cute, it's very little, I like that. It's got some plastic on the bottom of it. Let's try and remove that. And it stores really nicely in the case there. That's cute. I like the sort of clicky sound and the way the magnets pull it in. That's really cool. I don't know what the flashing light means. Right, so the light flashing means that it's charging the microphone, which I suppose makes sense because that little plastic cover covering the microphone was stopping the microphone from charging. So I'm going to give it like 10 minutes or so because I don't really want to get it out and it not to work. So we'll give it a little charge and we'll be back in a mo. Okay, well, I've given it a bit of a charge, so hopefully it should work for at least a short period of time. Let's get it out. So in theory, we should just be able to plug in this receiver. Okay, there's a little green light that's come on, so I assume that means it's working. So this has got a green light on it as well, so I guess that means that's working too. So I'm going to clip it on here, and I'm just going to film something here on my phone. Well, this is recording on my iPhone, and hopefully this is all connected. Just going to tap it so you can hear it. And what I'll do now, because I've got the microphone recording me filming on the other camera, this is the audio through the Lewinner lavalier mic. And this is a test just using the standard iPhone microphone. And this is the audio through the Rode Wireless Go lav mic. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I just had a little look and played it back through the phone. I'm not sure how it sounds. I'll have to play it back and then talk about it afterwards. But yeah, it seemed to work. The only thing I noticed was when I went back to play back what I'd recorded, I needed to remove the little receiver before I could hear it. I think this sort of stops the external speaker in the iPhone from playing sound once it's connected. So that's something to bear in mind. So this is designed to be used out and about and in the field. So I'm going to go out and about and give it a go. So join me back here later and we'll sum up and see how it's all gone. So I'm recording this out and about. So here I am out and about comparing the iPhone microphone with the Lewinner microphone. Now there is a slight breeze in the air today. It's a little bit breezy out here today, but the Lewinner microphone has a dead cat. But obviously the iPhone doesn't have that. So it'll be interesting to see how they compare. So it'll be interesting to see how the two compare. Anyway, back inside with me. Well, there you go. That is the Lewinner wireless lavalier microphone. Now, I have actually listened back to the footage comparing everything together, and there is certainly a difference between the Lewinner and the Rode and the iPhone's inbuilt microphone. Is it worse than those? I don't think it's worse. I think it's different. You've got to remember that these Rode Wireless Go microphones are double the price of the Lewinner, and also the microphones within the iPhone are quite limited. If you're standing holding your phone like that, then the microphone in the iPhone is actually pretty good. But if you're standing a bit further away from the iPhone and it's on a tripod or something and you're talking to camera, then it won't necessarily pick you up all that well. So having a wireless lavalier mic like the Lewinner is really good. So I think if you've got a big budget, then by all means get a Rode Wireless Go or a Rode Wireless Go 2. They're brilliant. But if you're on a limited budget or you're just starting out, then I definitely recommend the Lewinner. And I think it's certainly of an acceptable quality. I don't think it's going to change the world, but I think if you're filming stuff away from your iPhone, then it's pretty good. The only thing I have noticed is it records in mono. So when you're editing it in post, you might need to make it so it's in both channels. It depends on the software you're using, but it's pretty cheap, it's pretty cheerful, and it does the job, and yeah, you can't really argue for that price. Now there will be some changes coming in upcoming videos, probably from the next one onwards, so make sure you subscribe so you get to see what I've been up to. But for now, that is it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon for some more vlogging fun. See ya!